Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out every day to stop back at my channel. Alright, so today for you guys I have another Hobby Lobby haul. This one, I was curious. I wanted to see what else that they might have on sale. So I think I'll go next week just to see what they have. But this week they had on sale, they had their Paper Studio stuff 50% off. So I got these stickers for my planner. I love the little kitty cats. And so these are so cute. Aren't they cute? I got these. And then I also got these for my planner. I just can't, I don't even have a planner yet, and I got one. So I really need to get a planner. I love planners. I used up all my planners, but I just haven't been able to get one yet this year. Okay, so let me show you what I found on clearance. I was in the paper section, and I did pick up another one of these boxes of cards. This is Modern Romance. I have this paper, and I really do like it. So this is the designs of the paper. Again, they're already pre-made cards, very good for thank you cards, things like that. So I got them. They were $3.24 from $11.99. And then their Mambi kits were on sale. I got my cup here. Their kits were on sale. Now these are their it says Memory Souvenirs kit. So it's the scrapbook kit. So it's 12 by 12. It says Me and My Big Ideas. That's the type of kit, or it's the brand. I'm sorry. So this is a black and a gold. I'm usually not too into black and gold, but this one I really did like. This has the paper in it, and then stickers, some letters, which are some alphabets, some more stickers. I really did like this one. This is going to be perfect for like a pocket letter. I use these a lot in pocket letters. It has 12 by 12 papers in it, 246 stickers, 4 soft spoken pieces, and 12 chipboard. So that's not bad for $2.49. I mean, it was originally $9.99. And then this one is my favorite. I really love this. I love the pink and the silver. I love this one. Some of this stuff has fallen to the bottom. They only had one of these, or I would have picked up 2. And it's black and white. That's what it says. None of these have names on them. It just says black and white. Oh, this is Memories and Souvenirs. This one is black and white. Again, it has the same things. It has 12 by 12 papers, 92 stickers, 7 spoken soft pieces, and 17 chipboard. So that's what it has in this. I really like this one too. So I got those. And then I was able to find some things. I went down to the wedding aisle because not everything for me is craft. It's a lot of stuff is like for my home and stuff, home decor. Then I found these beautiful little chargers. I love these. These gonna look so nice with my little tin plates for Easter. I just love it. It's just me and Stefano. Well, it's gonna be just me, but I love these for 49 cents. These are really nice. They were $1.99, but they were on clearance for 49 cents. And I got 2 of them. I just think they're so pretty. They're dainty looking. And then I did go, like I said, I was in the wedding section, and I found these burlap roses. And this is just the garland. It's the His and Her collection. And this was $3.24. But this is going to go across my fireplace with some little wooden hearts. I'm going to be putting wooden hearts on it, in between it. And so I love this. They had the darker burlap, but I like the lighter one. So that was really, really pretty. I don't know how much it was previously because they have the thing blocked there. And then I got this cute banner. Now this I really love. I'm going to fix this up for Easter. And it's a big banner. It's 23 feet. It was originally $6.99 down to $1.74. So I love that. It's so pretty. And then I did pick up another one of these water brushes. This is the fine tip water brush. So it has a very fine tip. So I picked that up. In the His and Her section again, I was lucky enough to find these hearts, and these, I love these hearts. I use these a lot in arts and crafts projects, home decor projects. I really like them. They were originally $2.99 down to 74 cents. And then I picked up this Valentine's Day package here. It's this scatter in the filler. I'm going to put this in a vase, I think. But I guess somebody had opened it, so they reduced it to $1.25. So it just says 8.7 ounces. I don't know how much is in here now, but it looked like the bag just got ripped. So they clearanced it out. So that is it, my friends. That's all that I picked up. That's all. Just a few little things. I'll go back, you know, periodically just to see what they have. But that is pretty much all that I got. Alright guys. Oh no, I'm lying. They had 90% off their home decor items, so a lot of stuff was there, but nothing that was really in my taste. But I found these beautiful sunflowers, and these originally, I believe they were $11.99, and they were down to $2.99. So I really thought these were pretty. I really did. So I picked them up. They are missing two of the flowers, two here. But even if you go to the Dollar Tree, they're not as nice. Their sunflowers aren't as nice as this. These look real to me. So, and sunflowers are my favorite flower. I love sunflowers. So they were there last week, and I didn't get them. I left them, and I thought, well, if they're there, if they're supposed to be mine, they'll be there again. And they were there. So, yeah, I love these. All right, guys, that is it now. I'm done. That's all. So I'm just going to finish up my coffee, and I'm going to edit a video, and I have 2 cooking videos coming out for you guys. I hope that you enjoy them, and I'll have a Dollar Tree video coming out. I just have had a lot of stuff to do with Stefano getting ready to leave, and we're counting down the days now. Tonight is his last night at work. At this job, and then he'll be moving to Pennsylvania in 4 days. So, oh, that's my lunch got done. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.